The MR2 and MR3 rotary microtomes from RMC products are designed to cut thin sections of specimens for observation and analysis. These specimens may be for histology, materials science, or forensic science, for example. The MR2 has a motorized knife stage and a manual cutting stroke, and the MR3 has a motorized knife stage and a motorized cutting stroke. The MR2 microtome is primarily used for formalin-fixed, paraffin-embedded biological specimens. The MR3 can be used for paraffin-embedded specimens, but it is also suitable for use in some material science applications, such as plastics and polymers. The MR3 is fully motorized, and it can be operated from the touch control panel, or it can be operated manually by turning the hand wheel. Both models are compatible with a variety of specimen holders and knife holders. This MR3 is equipped for the sectioning of paraffin-embedded biological specimens. We would find such microtomes in hospital pathology laboratories, clinics, research laboratories, and other settings where biological specimens are processed for thin sectioning. The configuration consists of a quick-release clamp to hold blocks of paraffin-embedded material and a knife holder for disposable steel microtome blades. The paraffin block is inserted by pulling the spring-loaded handle to open the bottom of the clamp, inserting the paraffin block, and then releasing the handle to clamp the paraffin block. To insert a knife blade, release the front clamping plate with the handle on the right-hand side. Insert the blade from the side, and then tighten the clamping plate. There are two types of disposable knives: the low-profile knife, which is perhaps a bit more commonly used, and a high-profile knife, which is thicker and higher. The high-profile blade is used for specimens which are more difficult to cut. When it is shipped, the knife holder is ready to accept low-profile blades. To convert the knife holder for high-profile blades, remove the two small set screws on the front and remove the metal insert from the knife holder. The knife holder is now ready to accept a high-profile blade. The MR2 and the MR3 are equipped with a specimen orientation head to allow precise alignment of the specimen to the knife. The specimen can be rotated, and it can also be aligned from left to right and top to bottom with respect to the knife edge. The MR2 and the MR3 are compatible with several different specimen holders, many of them being useful for materials science. The standard specimen clamp can be used to hold larger pieces of bulk materials, such as plastics and polymers. The standard specimen clamp may also be used to hold paraffin blocks for sectioning biological materials. The standard specimen clamp can be combined with various inserts to hold bulk specimens and plastic embedded materials. A V-shaped insert is available, as well as inserts to hold different sizes of round specimens. The round specimen inserts come in diameters of 6 mm, 15 mm, 19 mm, and 25 mm. Some histology laboratories and materials science laboratories use large, resharpenable steel knives rather than disposable knives. These larger steel knives require the use of a type N stage, shown here. For some specimens, disposable blades may not be suitable for obtaining the best sections. This would be the case for plastic embedded materials, as well as polymers, plastics, and composites for materials science applications. In such cases, we might choose to use either glass, diamond, or tungsten carbide knives. These knives require the use of a Type S stage. Although the Type S stage is primarily used with the MT990, it is also fully compatible with the MR2 and MR3. This Type S stage is holding a glass knife. In summary, the MR2 manual rotary microtome is used for the sectioning of paraffin-embedded specimens. The MR3 motorized rotary microtome is also used for paraffin-embedded specimens when the customer prefers to have full motorized control over the sectioning process. The MR3 is also useful for material science applications such as plastics, polymers, and composites.